Continue straight, then use the right lane to keep right.
6 minutes.
Continue straight, then use the right lane to keep right. Use the right lane to keep right. Take a slight right turn. In a
64%. Can I adjust? Knock on wood. Yay. Up.
In half a mile, turn right onto 7th Street.
41 seconds.
Turn right onto 7th Street. Then take a slight left turn onto 10th Avenue.
Speed George.
Use the left lane to take a slight left turn onto 10th Avenue.
PMC Altoona.
Take a slight left turn. In 3/4 of a mile, keep right. In half a mile, turn left onto 7th Avenue.
Oh my god, it's so clear. Seventh Avenue. How about Ron's? Still there's no.
Turn left onto 7th Avenue. Take a slight right turn onto Broad Avenue.
Here's Babazook.
In 1 mile, take a slight right turn onto Broad Avenue.
Java Shrine. What's that, Java? School? It's old.
Continue straight, then use the right lane to take a slight right turn onto Broad Avenue. Continue straight, then use the right lane to take a slight right turn onto Broad Avenue. Use the right lane to take a slight right turn onto Broad Avenue. In a quarter mile, turn right onto 36th Street.
They're in the city, baby. Dadazok.
Turn right onto 36th Street, then turn left onto West Chestnut Avenue.
Minute. And then
Turn left onto West Chestnut Avenue, then turn right onto 36th Street.
many houses there.
Turn right onto 36th Street. In 800 feet, turn right onto Walnut Avenue. At the stop sign, turn right onto Walnut Avenue. Then the destination is on your left.
It's cute.
Yeah.
The destination is on your left.
There.
3518 Walnut Avenue. Arrived.
Ayan.
It's cute, baby.
Now we know. Hi, in. Hi, in. It's cute.
I like the area here. It's quiet.
It's a big space also. Is that the hotel? There? There's the baby.
It's not a hotel, baby. It's apartments.
Apartment.
Okay, we will go to Walmart.
How we will go to Walmart.
Siri, take us
I'm here.
to Walmart Altoona.
One option I see is Walmart Supercenter on Plank Road. Let me know if I should call one of them or get directions for you. Starting route to Walmart Supercenter. Head north on West Chestnut Avenue. Then turn right onto 36th Street. At the stop sign, turn left onto Beale Avenue. Turn right onto Waterloo Road, then turn left onto Beale Avenue.
missed.
Wow. They're in the city.
Turn right onto Race Street. Then
Nice.
take a slight right turn onto North Logan Boulevard.
It's nice houses there, baby.
At the stop sign, take a slight right turn. In 1.5 miles, take a slight right turn onto West Atlantic Road.